Hello and welcome to Red Stapler channel. In this video, we are going to show you 7 trending JavaScript libraries in 2019 that could probably be useful for your project and boost up the productivity. Let's check it out. If you are interested in adding sound effect to your website, Howler.js is JavaScript library for you. With literally just a couple lines of JavaScript, you will be able to play any sound with extensive options such as volume control, fading, playback speed, and more. Additionally, Howler.js supported mobile playback as well.
3, 4, 5.
Must be in possession of a valid passport with no entry restriction.
A new version of a very popular JavaScript library, Sweedler 2 is a beautiful, responsive, customizable pop-up library for everyone. There are tons of examples on the demo page that you can quick start your project, ranging from a classic pop-up message to AJAX requests or even a complex chaining model dialog. If you are looking for a JavaScript library to help formatting your input, try TypeJ. With a couple lines of code, you can literally format anything. For example, credit card number, a phone, date, time, number, and even custom format. If you are interested, don't forget to check out our TypeJ tutorial video at the link below. If you want to take a screenshot of the web page with JavaScript, HTML to Canvas is one of the best libraries for this job. It gathers all the information of all elements on the page and renders the screenshot. Try the demo to see how easy it is. Adding animation with JavaScript is easier than ever. PopMotion.js is a very flexible library that can help you with all the hard part. Here are some examples of what PopMotion.js can do with just a few lines of code. TypeJ is a JavaScript library designed specially for adding typing animation. You can put in any strings, set the type speed, and it's done. There are many options such as pausing, backspacing speed, cursor style, and more. Again, check out our TypeJ quick tutorial video if you want to see a step-by-step implementation. ScrollMagic is one of the most popular scrolling JavaScript library. It can do almost anything related to scrolling behavior that you need, from basic stuff like detecting scrolling position and the parallax effect, to advanced stuff like multiple direction scrolling and element scaling. Check out the demo page to see all the features. So, that's all for this video. Don't forget to like or subscribe to support our channel and stay connected with us. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!